हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शेट्टी सॉल्यूशंस और मैं हूँ आपकी अपनी अकेला मैम। स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड योर चैप्टर नंबर 2 दैट इज़ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं प्रॉब्लम सेट। To reduce the lengthiness of the video, I have divided this video into 3 parts. This is the first part of the problem set. So let's start. Students, हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है in the problem set. They have given choose the correct alternative answers for the following sub questions. We have MCQ questions. They are given the 4 options and they are asked which of the following is a quadratic equation. You all know, my dear students, the general form of a quadratic equation. What is the general form of a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. They are asked which one is the quadratic equation out of these 4. But without solving, I cannot give directly, yeah, this is the quadratic equation, or nahi to ye. We cannot guess, okay? So we have to solve first. Let me solve first, then which of the equation we will get this form, that one will be considered as a quadratic equation. Fine. See, अगर मैं इसको solve करेगी क्या हो जाएगी? Equalizing the denominator. Take x as common, you will get 5 minus this will be this cross multiplication 3x is equal to x square. Here I'll get 5 minus 3x. This x I'll bring here, you'll get x cube. So this one will be x cube. If I'll bring 3x this side plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. We got a degree 3. You know that quadratic equation, the condition, the degree of a variable should be 2, okay, highest degree. Here it is 3, so it cannot be a quadratic equation. We'll move to the next one. X into x, x square plus 5x is equal to 2. Here x square plus 5x minus 2. 2 I bought this side equal to 0. This is of the form this. Ax square plus bx plus c. So this can be the answer, but still we will check for this because I'm sure this is the answer. We have already got a quadratic equation, so we can tick mark for this. Okay. Still I'll show this one for you. See here. 2n bring this side, it will become minus 2n. 1 you bring this side, that is 1. So n minus 2n, you are getting minus n is equal to 1, n is equal to minus 1. Here you are getting a value of n. We are not getting any quadratic equation. And the last one here, x square, if I will multiply cross multiplication this one and this one, 1 into x plus 2, here what will happen? This is x cube. Again it will be a, see here, 1 into x plus 2 is nothing but x plus 2. So x cube, bring x that side, minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here degree of the variable is 3. So our final answer will be option number B, where we got ax square plus bx plus c form. This is the quadratic equation. We'll move to the next one. Students, हमारा second question है little bit different. पहले क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या ढूंढा, विच इज़ अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, और ये क्वेश्चन में वी हैव टू प्रूव विच इज़ नॉट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. दैट मीन्स आउट ऑफ दिस 4, ऑल 3 वी विल गेट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन and 1 we will not get a quadratic equation. So let's solve. See the first question, x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square will get cancelled because if you bring this side, the sign will change. 4x is equal to 11, so bring 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. एक equation मिला. It is not a quadratic equation. Directly I can say this is the answer. Why? Because it doesn't have ax square. Degree of the variable is 1. So this will be the answer. Let me solve this also. X square, 4x bring this side, minus 4x is equal to 0. Now you will tell me, ma'am, this is ax square plus bx, but c is not there. See, if c is not there, doesn't matter because we in place of c we can write 0 also, but we got a highest degree, that is x square. So this can be the quadratic equation. Now the next one, this will be 5x square minus 9t equal to 0. This also we have a highest degree. Now the next question, see here, 2x minus x square, bring x square this side, it will become minus, plus 5 will become minus equal to 0. We are getting here minus x square, that is minus 2x square plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. Ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So our answer will be only this one because rest of thing has its degree as 2. So this is the answer. Option number A. We'll move to the next one. Students, our next question, which of the following is the value of k if the roots of x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0 are real and equal? Students, we know that when the roots are real and equal, delta will be 0. Delta is equal to 0. So delta means what? Our b square minus 4ac. Correct. So we need b square minus 4ac. For this we have to compare. See here, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is our a from this equation? A is equal to 1. B is equal to k. And c is equal to k. Fine. So c also is equal to k. Start solving. delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? K square minus 4, a is 1 and c is k. So we are getting k square minus 4k. As the roots are real and equal, we should write k square minus 4k is equal to 0. Now what is common? K is common, so k minus 4 equal to 0. K is equal to 0 or k minus 4 is equal to 0. That means k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 4. So we'll get option 0 or 4. Where is that option? Option number C. So this is the answer. We'll move to the next sum. Our next question, question number 4, my dear students. Which of the following is the value of the discriminant for root 2x square minus 5x plus root 2 is equal to 0? बहुत ही simply, you all know how to find out a discriminant. You will use a formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. First we have to compare here. Okay, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is our a? A is equal to root 2 and b is equal to minus 5. C is equal to root 2. Substitute the values. Delta is equal to b square. B square means minus 5 square minus 4. A is root 2 and c is root 2. Minus 5 square is 25 minus 4. Root 2 into root 2, you know 2. Because root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So 25 minus 4 2s are 8. So 25 minus 8, you are getting answer 17. So your answer is option number B. We'll move to the next sum. Students, हमारा next question है, which of the following equation has sum of the roots minus 5? You all know what is sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta है minus 5. So we should find out from which equation we are getting this value. So alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b upon a. So we'll solve here. See here, what is b over here? This is a, b and c. What is b? 15. So क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Minus, but b क्या है? Minus 15 है. Minus 15 by 3. So we are getting answer minus minus plus 15 by 3. So we are getting 5. तो इधर हमें 5 मिल रहे. So this cannot be the answer. हमें minus 5 चाहिए. Okay. Next here minus b upon a. So minus of minus 5 by a मतलब 1 है. So we are getting plus 5. This is also not the answer. Next here minus b upon a. See here also b means 3. So minus b means minus 3 upon 1, that is you are getting minus 3. So this is not the answer. Now the last one we have b means 15. So minus b upon a. So minus 15 by a matlab 3a. So you are getting answer minus 5. So we should go for this option number D. Okay, this one will be our answer. We'll move to the next one. Student, हमारा next question है question number 7. Root 5 m square minus root 5 m plus root 5 is equal to 0. Which of the following statement is true for this given equation? That means we should check whether this equation has real and unequal roots. Real and equal roots. Roots are not real or 3 roots. Let us check. How to check? First we have to find out a delta. Students, we know 3 conditions. If delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If delta is equal to greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And if delta is equal to lesser than 0, then it is not real. So let us find delta. How to find delta? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. First we will see what is a here, root 5, and what is b, minus root 5, and what is c, root 5. So b square minus 4ac minus root 5 square minus 4 into a means root 5, c means root 5. Root 5 square is nothing but 5, because root 5 square is root 25. Root 25 is nothing but 5 minus 4, root 5 into root 5, that is 5. So 5 minus 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 5, we are getting minus 15. Now we got delta value. You clearly can say delta is lesser than 0. So the answer will be, it is not real. So option number C is the right answer. Roots are not real. Simple. We'll go to the next sum. In the MCQ, this is the last question. One of the roots of the equation x square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0 is to find m. Very simple. We should find out m, but one of the root has been given 2. So we have to substitute in place of x, that is 2. Put x is equal to 2 in this equation. X square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0. X square means 2 square plus m into 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. We are getting 4 plus 2m minus 5 is equal to 0. So 4 and minus 5, it will become minus 1. So 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. 2m is equal to 1. I am bringing 1 this side. M is equal to 1 upon 2. So m is equal to half. Option number C. This is the answer. Simple. We will move to the next sum. Students, we have done with the MCQ. Now we are moving to the question number 2. Which of the following are quadratic equation? Very simple. ऐसा वाला सम हमने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया है स्टूडेंट्स. आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है हाईएस्ट डिग्री कितना होना चाहिए, 2 होना चाहिए, और कौन सा फॉर्म में होना चाहिए, जनरल फॉर्म में, ax² + bx + c is equal to 0. So let's start. First one, x² + 2x + 11. Yes, of course it is of the form ax² + bx + c is equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. रीज़न क्या लिख सकते हैं आप लोग, हाईएस्ट डिग्री, हाईएस्ट पावर और इंडेक्स is 2, highest power is 2. Simple. Now this one we will solve. See, x², bring this x² this side, so it will become -x² - 2x + 5 equal to 0. Now x² - x², both will get cancelled. You are getting -2x + 5 is equal to 0. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. See, because it doesn't have highest power or index as 2. Now the next one, x + 2 whole square is equal to 2x². This is a + b whole square. You all know a + b whole square expansion, a² 2ab + b². Substitute करो my dear students. x² + 2, a मतलब x, b मतलब 2 + b² मतलब 2 का स्क्वायर is equal to 2x². Now x² + 2 2 = 4x + 2 का स्क्वायर 4 is equal to 2x². Bring 2x² this side. x² - 2x² + 4x + 4 is equal to 0. 2x², x². So you are getting -x² because bigger number sign, right? Plus 4x + 4 is equal to 0. Students, is it of a form ax² + bx? Yes, ax² + bx + c is equal to 0. You will write yes, it is a quadratic equation. Equation. Same reason you can write because highest power or index is 2. Power or index is 2. बहुत ही सिंपल है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सम. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. बहुत ही सिंपल है. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस. वी शुड फाइंड आउट अ वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. वी नो डेल्टा. सी, हमारा पहला स्टेप क्या होगा, बाय कंपेयरिंग विथ नाउ our variable. See, general form a² + bx is equal to 0, but here variable y is, so write ay² + by + c is equal to 0. What is our a? 2. What is our b? 1. What is our c? 2. So delta is equal to b² - 4ac. What is b²? 1² - 4. a is 2 and c is 2. So 1 - 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 - 1 -15 is your answer. Simple. Only they have asked the delta, not the nature. So you will write like this only. Next, here again the same step, comparing with am² + bm + c is equal to 0. What is a? 5. What is b? -1. And what is c? 0. Delta is equal to b² - 4ac. What is b²? -1² - 4. a is 5 and c is 0. -1² is nothing but 1, minus 4 5s are 20. 20 into 0 is 0 only. So you are getting delta is equal to 1. Simple. Now the third one, comparing with ax² + bx + c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to √5, b is equal to -1, c is equal to -√5. Next step, delta is equal to b² - 4ac. What is b²? -1² - 4. a is √5, c is -√5. Here be careful, we have a sign, so I am writing in the bracket. -1² is 1, minus plus 4 into √5 into √5, you all know 5. So it will be 1 + 4 5s are 20. We are getting 21. This is the delta value. Students, if you want, please take a snapshot. We will move to the next question. स्टूडेंट्स हमारा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, इफ वन रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस kx माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0 इज -2, find the value of k. We know the value of x over here, that is one root. We should substitute that one in the equation. We will get value of k. Very simple. Put x is equal to -2 in the equation. Okay, what is our equation? 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. We should substitute -2. 2 into -2 square plus k into -2. -2 is equal to 0. 2 into -2 square is 4. Plus minus -2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 2s are 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 8 minus 2 how much? It is 6. 6 minus 2k is equal to 0. 2k bring that side, that is 6 is equal to 2k. 6 by 2 is equal to k. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So you are getting k is equal to 3. This is the value of k. If you want, please take a snapshot. We will move to the next sum. हमारा next question है, two roots of the quadratic equations are given. Frame the equation. बहुत ही सिंपल है. टू रूट्स मतलब क्या है? अल्फा दिया है एंड बीटा दिया है. वी गॉट 10 एंड -10. सी लेट अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 10 and beta is equal to -10. Fine. Now we know the required equation. The required equation formula क्या है? The required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. See, either you can substitute the value of alpha and beta over here directly, otherwise you can solve inside. See, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is nothing but 10 plus -10. 10 plus -10. So how much you are getting? 10 minus 10. You are getting 0 over here. Fine. After that, alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to 10 into -10. 10 into -10 means 10 tens are 100. You are getting -100. So substitute x square minus alpha plus beta we got 0. 0x plus here alpha beta I got -100 equal to 0. See, what is our next step? X square minus 0x doesn't have any value, plus minus -100 equal to 0. So this is the answer. This is the required equation. Therefore the required equation, if you want you can write again, the required equation is x square minus 100 equal to 0. Simple. We will move to the next sum. Students, हमारा next question है 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. Okay, how to solve this one? See here, alpha होगा हमारा 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta will be 1 plus 3 root 5. Simple. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta means 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. So 3 root 5 will get cancelled. We are getting 1 plus 1, that is 2. हो गया. Now alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. Now this is of the form a minus b, a plus b. You know what is that? A minus b, a plus b. Okay. What is the formula? A square minus b square. तो क्या होगा? 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 3 रूट 5 का स्क्वायर. What is 1 का स्क्वायर? 1 माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? 9 एंड 5 का स्क्वायर रूट 5 का स्क्वायर विल बी 5. So we are getting 1 minus 9 5s are 45. So answer is 1 minus 45 will be minus 44. We got minus 44. Now the required equation I'll write here. The required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay. Now x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, how much we have got, my dear student? 2 we have got. 2x plus alpha beta कितना मिला है? -44 equal to 0. So your answer is x square minus 2x plus minus -44 equal to 0. This is your final answer. We have got x square minus 2x minus 44 equal to 0. If you want, please take a snapshot. I'll move to the next sum. The third question है 0 and 7. So first step क्या होगा? Let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 7. So alpha plus beta, which is nothing but 0 plus 7, we are getting 7. What is alpha beta? 0 into 7, we are getting 0. The required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So substitute. Next step, x square minus alpha plus beta 7 है. Okay, 7x plus 0. ओके इक्वल टू 0। तो बेसिकली क्या होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7x इज इक्वल टू 0 इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन, द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन। फाइन, सिंपल, बहुत ही सिंपल है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इफ यू वांट प्लीज टेक अ स्नैपशॉट। वी हैव सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5। रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आई विल सॉल्व इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। वैसे भी इधर बहुत धूप आ रहा है, यू विल नॉट एबल टू सी द बोर्ड वेरी क्लियरली। Hope whatever I taught today you are able to understand. If so, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.